How to fix VAN152 in Valorant. Now there are two methods to this. The first one is go to command prompt and then type in sc delete vgc and then press enter. After that, type in sc delete vgk and then press enter. Once you've done that, open up PC, go to the local disk where Valorant is located, program files, and here you need to find Riot Vanguard and delete it. If you get this error message, just press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC at the same time to open up Task Manager and delete all the programs that associate with Riot Vanguard and Riot Vanguard itself. After that, right click on Valorant and then run as administrator. After that, it's going to be installing Riot Vanguard, and after it's finished, you need to restart your PC to play the game again. If that doesn't work, press the Windows key and R at the same time and type in services.msc locate VGC right here, double click it, and under startup type select automatic. Hit apply and press start. After you've done that, the only thing to do left is to restart your PC, and then you should be able to play Valorant again. And that's how to fix VAN152 in Valorant.